Hi, my name is Gurmeet Singh Dang, and in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can take the use of ROLI Songmaker kit or how we can configure it with Apple MacBook Pro or any system like Windows based PC or any machine which supports ROLI Songmaker kit to produce the music. So we can create the music for or any productivity, like for game, for animation, for any movie, or for our any video tutorial or advertisement or any video, etc. So this is a very nice product introduced by ROLI, and I will teach you everything step by step. So we will elaborate that how we can take the use of this wonderful product to create the music. So this entire tutorial will give you the complete idea that how you can take the use of this product, whether you are a musician or any artist or any player who knows how to play digital music or any good instrument, okay, in conjunction with electronic devices to produce the digital music. So either you have a very big recording studio or music studio. In all cases, this tutorial will help you a lot, because in starting, or even if you have huge experience, but if you do not know how to configure them or how to take the use of all these products together with the entire system, then it makes your life a little tough. And this is very difficult to find the very high institutes or big institutes with a lot of great resources and huge knowledge and creativity to take the use of all these together. So let's get started.